Did you know that the largest naval invasion in history wasn't D-Day, but happened 700 years earlier when Kublai Khan tried to conquer Japan? In 1274, the Mongol emperor launched his first massive fleet against Japan. Typhoons destroyed it. But Khan wasn't finished. 7 years later, he assembled the most incredible armada the world had ever seen. 4,400 ships carrying 140,000 Chinese, Mongol, and Korean warriors. This fleet was larger than the Spanish Armada and D-Day combined. The Mongols landed on Japan's southern islands using revolutionary gunpowder weapons against samurai swords. For weeks, it looked like Japan would fall just like every other nation the Mongols had conquered. Then nature struck again. A massive typhoon slammed into the invasion fleet, sinking thousands of ships and drowning over 100,000 men in a single night. The Japanese called these storms kamikaze, divine wind from their gods. This convinced them they were divinely protected, creating a legend that shaped Japanese military culture for 7 centuries, all the way to World War II.